Hey, what's going on, YouTube fam? Please like and subscribe up front. And I'd like to thank Nvidia, first of all, for sending this out to me to review. This is the first thing that I've ever gotten that was actually sent to me that basically for a review. And I'm really excited about it. And hopefully this is going to be the start of things for me in the future of manufacturing, sending things out to me for reviews. And much appreciated once again, Nvidia. And I'd like to start off by doing a little unboxing first, and then maybe down the road I'm going to do a actual settings video, and I have a few twists and turns of how to set up the Nvidia Shield the best for your Sony TV or any TV as far as that goes. But with that said, thanks again, Nvidia, for sending this out to me, and let's begin the unboxing. Now, if you guys remember, I had the smaller one for quite some time. I hope you guys could see this. I'll try to keep it on camera the best way. And I didn't really like the smaller one because I didn't like the two, but I do like this one here. This Shield, it's the Pro, and it has, I think, 1 more gig of RAM, and it's a total of 16 gigabytes. Now, I do understand the older one did have a little bit more, the 500 gig, but this has the AI on here as well. So I heard the AI is really, really good. And with that said, guys, you know, I think this is going to be really, really great unit. Like I said, I've used the smaller one before. You guys have seen my older video with it before, and I'm just really excited about this one here. I heard it runs just a lot smoother, but opening the damn thing up here. Let's see here. Bear with me, guys. And I don't do much unboxings because everybody has an unboxing video, but you know, under the circumstances of, since they sent it out to me and all that kind of good stuff, you know, why not? You know, why not do an unboxing? All right. So there, we'll leave this here on the side a little bit here. There we go. And the first thing I'm noticing is it's, you know, a lot bigger than the other one. And it's not a cylinder tube. It's an actual, you know, like a unit. It's really small. It's about the size of your hand, as you can see. And you see the back here, we got Ethernet, we got, looks like HDMI, and we got 2 other ports, some USBs. And it looks like this is for the power, which I'm curious about the power looks like, because the other one had like the cord, like a regular power cord. So this is probably a little bit different on there. So we'll set this right here, let you guys check it out. And here's the remote. Remote's just like the smaller unit. I think it's the 8 gig unit. This is the 16 gig, like I mentioned. And like I said, I'm going to do this video raw to you. I don't want it to... I think a lot of people like that my videos are like uncut and raw because, you know, it's just not like it's fabricating and all. I'm trying to think of things to say. So we got the directions here on how to set it up, I assume. The Shield directions. So that's kind of cool too. And then we got... what is that? That's the quick startup guide, and this is probably the full support guide right here as well. So we got the setup guide for a real quick setup, and then we got the support guide as well. If you take a look at this right here, it's the power cord I was mentioning, and the power cord, kind of cool. This is a little bit different. The brick's different. This is actually has the power. This is actually the power supply here, and it sends the DC signal to the actual unit. So the other one's actually an AC power cord, which is interesting because it looks like they did the AC to DC transformation into the actual tube unit, where this is actually broken down. This is the power brick, so to speak, and then it goes into the actual unit itself. But there'll be more videos to come on this. I'm super excited about this. Just got this in yesterday evening, and I wanted to share that with you guys, let you guys check it out, straighten the camera a little bit here, and let you see the Nvidia, the setup here. I'm hoping it's going to be a little bit better than the other one. I don't know. I suspect it might be a tiny bit more smoother because it does have an extra gig of memory and more space to hold a lot more items, more apps. You know, and I understand this plays the video games a lot better, and there's more on that aspect, but I don't play a lot of video games, but that's to come. So stay tuned. We're going to do some setup video. We're going to do some settings. I got some extra features I could show you on this to really get you guys the best picture for your Nvidia Shield. But awesome, awesome, awesome. Once again, thank you, Nvidia, and you guys have a good one.